This is Mariana, a sweetheart I've taken care of since she was a baby. When her permanent incisors came in, we noticed that they were severely hypoplastic. We initially treated them with glossy ionomer and composite, but over time, especially after aligner therapy, we needed a better solution. One of Mariana's main concerns was her gummy smile. Here's how technology helped us solve this. This is DTX by Dexis, and I've pinned the iOS, which is the intraoral scan, onto the DICOM file, which is the 3D X-ray. I'm doing some bone sounding here. I'm using the distance tool to measure the length of the clinical crown of the incisor. I'm also taking into account the fact that there's a little curvature to the tooth and trying to get a more accurate measurement so that I can decide how much gingival tissue I actually have to work with and how much more clinical crown I can expose to get Mariana the effect that she wants of a beautiful, bright smile. Now it was time for some Soleil laser magic. We completed a gingivectomy exposing the clinical crowns and getting them ready for restorations. exocad design and sprint ray ecosystem. We created a smile design, a mock-up that Mariana got to try out, approve, make some adjustments to before we delivered her final no prep veneers. Here she is at the end with her beautiful result.